Coachman Vip 575. So we'll start off at the front when we have your Alco hitch head and stabiliser. So back handle up, tow ball goes down, back handle slots down, so it locks it into place. To release it, up, and releases the tow ball. Handbrake, jockey wheel handle, 13-pin plug which does your internal 12 volts of the fridge if your car is wired up correctly, exterior lights and your ATC. When your ATC is working, it will be flashing or solid green. In your gas locker, you have your gas locker for storage, bulkhead regulator and 2 spaces for 2 6kg or butane gas bottles. Then we have your trim of water inlet where you lift the trigger, pull out and push back in to slot it in. The pump goes into the aqua roll. Battery locker where you have your battery, 110 amp battery stored for 2 terminals live and neutral, battery strap and battery box to hold it into place. Your 2 waste outlets, your toilet cassette where you can take in and out, empty if it was in it, fill a cap to fill up your toilet flush. Sure the light's working. Now inside the van. Well, in the van above the door you have your main control panel where you have your master on, pump on and off, lights which you can turn on individually as well, and awning light on and off. When you go into the van, you're on 240, make sure you press the test button just to make sure your RCD trips like so. Then you have 3 MCBs as well. With the RCD, they recommend that you test it every time you use it. So just turn the radio off. Obviously to make sure your RCD is tripping as it should. 12 volt fuses and obviously what they are for. And then down here we have your 2 yellow drain off valves. I think you place them down in the horizontal position to hold the water in the system. Once they are down, you turn the pump on like so, and you obviously run water through all the taps just to get all the air out of the system. Then your pump will calibrate on and off as it should. Also here we have your Audi control panel where you press power, menu, you have internal temperature, water on or focus just on the hot water rather than heating and the hot water. Have it on 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt or 3 kilowatt, or you can have it on gas or both. Turn off, just press the power button like so and obviously it will turn off. We have your Thetford cooker here where we have your electric hob on top where you just turn the settings that you want on. Then for the gas you hold in the knob while pushing the igniter. Same with the grill and the oven. With the fridge, turn power on. You have it on gas, obviously it will start ticking and try and connect to gas. Once it's connected, this will stay solid green like so. If not, it will go red as a warning like that, obviously flashing on 12 volt because we have no car connected. Obviously 12 volt will only work if your car is connected and if your car is wired up correctly. With the mains, once your mains is connected like so, obviously it will start to work on mains. If, like I say, if it errors, it will start flashing red. To turn off, just press the power button like so to turn off the fridge. With your toilet, have electrical flush. When you're ready to flush, you press like so. That enters out all the fluid into the toilet. Then you have your flap here to open and close the flap to empty it into the toilet cassette. You also have an alarm fitted to the van, so press once to arm, 2 to disarm, and obviously you have your PIR down there which detects any movement to set the alarm off. Before we demonstrate your new automatic power touch mover, you have your winterization sheet in here. Obviously just explains what we cover and what we don't, and obviously how to safely winterize your caravan ready for the winter period to prevent any frost damaging happening to the van, which isn't covered by our warranty, as you will see here, which is our warranty cover sheet. It explains what we cover, and obviously down here what we don't, and obviously at the bottom explains that it is a back to base warranty. The van will have to come back to us for any warranty repairs to be done. On the power touch mover, so you turn on like so, your controller, then you turn on your isolation key like so, then you press the center and this button here, so obviously to start engaging the movers. And obviously then once it's finished its cycle, just have to let it do its thing while the movers are engaging. Just take a little while, but after it's gone through its cycle and the light goes back to solid green, like so, you will see that your movers are engaged to the wheel. Now you can release your handbrake, and then you can go forwards, backwards, and then the front towards me, and then the front this side towards me, and same on the back. And then when you're ready to finish using the mover, ready to take the motors off, press the centre button and the button there to start disengaging the mover to the wheels and let it finish its same cycle once again. As you can see, the movers on both sides are starting to disengage. Now they are disengaged, your handset will just go through its last little bit of the cycle, and obviously now you are ready to disengage the mover. Holding the two power buttons like so, and disengaging the mover. For any other information, just look in your book pack in the van. Obviously it just tells you a bit more about the van and obviously what it's got. But like I say, any questions, don't be afraid to ask.